What's happening, people? Welcome to another video with Allsortzz. What if you could get a smartphone with a massive battery, 144Hz curved AMOLED display and a powerful 5G performance, all without spending flagship money? Well, that's exactly what this Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G is bringing to the table. And in this video today, we are counting down top 10 features that make this phone one of the most interesting mid-range smartphones right now. I've also done an unboxing and review of this smartphone, so if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description box below, or you can check out my previous videos on my Allsortzz channel. So make sure you subscribe for many more videos. Anyways, let me tell you the top 10 features of this Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. At number 10, we're going to have to give it to the battery life. This phone absolutely dominates it in this section. The Tecno Pova Curve 2 has a huge 8000 mAh battery. Yes, you actually heard that right. And if you want to prove it, all you got to do is go into settings, go into Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G, and it actually states it there. It has an 8000 mAh battery. This means you can expect up to 2 days of regular use, long gaming sessions, binge watching when it comes to your favorite videos on YouTube or any other platform. And when it's finally need power, this actually supports 45-watt fast charging. Next up is the display, and surprisingly it's premium. You get a 6.7-inch curved AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, delivering ultra smooth animations and scrolling as well. Other highlights include a full HD plus resolution up to 4500 nits peak brightness and has a Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. That's flagship level smoothness in a mid-range smartphone. Look how nice it is, and it's really slim, which I'll get to later as well. But look at that display, really nice curved display. Powering this device is a MediaTek Dimensity 7100 chip. Let me just go back into settings and I'll actually show you on there as well. Look at that CPU Dimensity 7100. It's built on a 6nm architecture, and this chip delivers efficient performance, smooth gaming, reliable 5G connectivity, and is paired with the Mali G610 GPU, helping handle most modern games without major issues. Memory is another highlight. Now you can actually have two different options. I've actually opted for the 128GB storage version. Now if you opted for the 256GB, you will get more RAM, but within this one, when it goes into RAM, it has got 8GB of RAM, but you can actually set a virtual RAM of up to 8GB as well. In the other version, you can actually set it up to 24GB depending on what memory size you have. This means you've got better multitasking, faster app switching, and less lag with heavy using as well. Storage options can go up to 256GB, giving you plenty of space for apps and media, but this is a 128GB version. Now let me just show you about the design. The Pova Curve 2 looks far more premium than its price suggests. The phone features a very slim 7.42 body with curved edges and a futuristic camera layout as well. Now even though it has a 7.42mm body, it still packs a whopping 8000 mAh battery, and it comes in 3 different colors as well. Mystic Purple, which is the best color in my opinion, which I have right here. You can also get it in Melting Silver and a Stone Titanium. Now photography. This phone includes a 50 megapixel main rear camera supported by a secondary sensor. Now the camera features include AI scene optimization, AI flash snap for fast moving objects, and 13 megapixel selfie camera for video calls and selfies. It's not a camera flagship, but it's solid for everyday shots. This phone runs Android 16 with Tecno's HiOS 16 interface right out of the box. This brings AI tools. You get Techno AI with loads of features, improved system optimization, better customization options, and Techno has also added AI features like AI writing. We have all of these: AI writing, AI assist, translation assist, social assist, document assist, AI note, recording summary. Look at all of the Techno AI features you can actually use on this smartphone. Even gamers will be interested in this phone because this appreciates several extra features, including the hyper cooling system, the X-axis vibrator motor, and the high touch sampling rate display, which is 144 Hz. This will help improve responsiveness and keep the phone cool during long gaming sessions. Let me give you some of the connectivity and smart features. It supports 5G, as you know, Wi-Fi 6 as well, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared remote, which I'm pretty sure is that there. It also has Dolby Atmos when it comes to sound as well. Plus, you actually get a under-display fingerprint scanner for fast unlocking. At number one, I am going to give it to the price. It's definitely incredible value for your money. Now, the Tecno Pova Curve 2 starts at around £250 if you're wanting the 128 gig version. If you are opting for the 256 gig, it might actually cost you a little bit more at the time of this recording. Now, the features you will actually get with it, to summarize, is the 8000 mAh battery, 5G, curved display at 144 Hz with the AMOLED display, 5G performance, under screen fingerprint sensor, and much more. Like I said, I've done a full unboxing and review of this smartphone, so please do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the top 10 features of this Tecno Pova Curve 2 5G. So now I want to hear from you. Which one do you think is the best feature? Let me know in the comment section below. Would you buy this phone for the huge battery or the curved display? Or do you think another mid-range phone is a better deal? Let me know which other smartphone you actually think that in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more tech videos like this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you again for another video.